Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for September 8th of 2025 is titled IRAS 04302 Butterfly Disk Planet Formation. So what do we see here? Well, we see what might look like a great butterfly going across space there, and we can see galaxies around it, as well as stars within our own Milky Way galaxy. What we're actually seeing here is a star system and a planet system in the process of formation. That bar in the center is a dusty disk where a star is currently forming. And in fact, that starlight is blocked out by that dust, allowing us to see the rest of the nebula around it. But deep within that is a lot of dust, and what we're learning is that is what is forming planets. So, planetary system is forming there. Now, this is a recent image taken by the Webb Space Telescope, which looks primarily in the infrared and allows us to see deep into some of these star-forming regions and to better understand objects like this. And what we can expect from this over, say, the next couple of million years is that the planetary system will begin to form within that around the star, which is currently forming, and eventually will dissipate the rest of this dust around it so that dark dust will dissipate, will form into rings of material as the planets begin to form, and then the star will become powerful enough and will dissipate the rest of this material, will be expelled outward into space, leaving us behind just the star and the planetary system. And in fact, you could see something much like our own solar system forming here, but again, we've got a couple million years to wait because the process is relatively slow by Earth standards. Now, with the Webb Space Telescope and other instruments, we're starting to learn more about this process of star formation. We've always had ideas as to how it worked, but now we're actually being able to get some good data to look at and to understand and to see some of these systems within the process of formation. And that helps astronomers to better refine their models of planetary formation and understand how other systems form. Now, why is that important to us? Well, now that we can see other systems forming, we can take a look back at our own solar system and get a better idea of how that may have worked. Early models of star and planet formation were based on the planet system that we knew, which was our own solar system. And for a long time, that was the only system we knew, so we didn't have others to go by. Now that we're seeing other planetary systems and detecting some like this in the process of formation, we're getting a much better idea and helping to refine these models, which might help us to better understand our own solar system as well. So that was our picture of the day for September 8th of 2025. It was titled IRAS 04302 Butterfly Disk Planet Formation. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Up from Earth. We'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.